Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing. Today we are unboxing a wireless controller called the Etpark PS4 wireless controller. Now this controller is of course for PS4 or PlayStation 4, and it can be used in a wired format but also can be used in a wireless format. Now it has a set of features and everything, but before I even get into the features, let's just have a look at it and get into the unboxing. Now this is just $28 US for cost, so just something to not very expensive, and a good replacement to be used on your PS4 and also on your PC. So it comes in a bubble wrap, cute. What comes in the box? It has a card, which is a USB, a micro USB, so not a USB Type-C, and it has some information, manual, so it's usually put to the side. Now let's see if it comes already charged. Oh, okay, so that's how we turn it on. I guess we'll home in on different devices and stuff like that. Different options. Okay. Well, that seems straightforward enough. Now, it has to connect to a PC or a system, so it can be used to gaming. And once it does, I guess the other features will come on. Okay, so we're back. Okay, so I just decided to just do a quick check on this to see what it's like. Alright. Okay, so I decided to just do a quick check, and I plugged it in. So once you plug it into the laptop or PS4, it will work automatically. Once you plug it to PS4, you can customize it. So plug it in here, and this mini light bar will start to light up. And once you it doesn't really do much. It comes off right away. Once you connect it to a PS4 device, it activates. Now it has a touchpad. It has a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can actually plug in your headphones there. It vibrates and has these nice little blue details, and of course all the regular buttons that come with a PS4. There's a share button which allows you to share whilst it's working on a PS4. Has options button, which is just like the menu button, and of course it has the two double trigger buttons. So it's more or less very simple, easy device to use, and maybe in the future I will go over a bit more about it, so that you can know whether it's something I can recommend or not. But so far it seems to be good. It worked well when I did some playing, and it's a good, simple, inexpensive controller. So nothing too flashy, but still very good. So if you want to see more videos like this, you want to see more videos on this device itself, do please subscribe. If you like the video, press like. If you have any questions, comments, or any suggestions, please leave a comment. This is Asa here, and I'll see you again in another video.